She doesn't have Facebook.
So what's her last name?
What's her last name?
What's her last name?
Wilson.
What?
Kayla Wilson.
Wilson? Oh, that's cool.
Willie knows the truth.
Do you like whales?
No.
Why not? Dude, what about the killer whales like Shamu?
What about the place in London? I mean, in England. In England.
Caleb, wait. What about the killer whales? Do you like those?
No.
You don't like Shamu?
No.
I thought you said Sham.
You don't like Free Willy?
You don't like Sham Wow?
Do you like Sham Wows?
No.
Why?
Do you think it's all propaganda?
I don't think you know what that means, because I don't even know what that means.
That's like when you only
You
hear like one
dummy.
side of the story. You should know. You're the one who loves social studies.
I don't love social studies.
You used to love. That used to be your favorite.